Good day, class. My name is Nila Neganya and I am from grade 10 Nitrogen. Today, I will be presenting on the topic of troubleshooting USB ports that are not working, including the causes and potential resolutions. Let us begin. I hope you all will pay close attention. Introduction. USB ports are essential for connecting devices such as the flash drives, keyboards, and mouse. However, they may stop functioning due to hardware or software issues. Like this. Causes of USB causes of USB port failure. First, physical damage. Second, faulty USB device. Third, outdated drivers. Fourth, disabled USB port. Fifth, power issues. Sixth, operating system errors. 7. Motherboard problems. First, physical damage. Reason: the USB port may be physically damaged due to frequently flagging or unflapping, thus build up or bent pins. It means may sira it means may sira mismo physically ang USB port dahil sa kadalasang pagsaksak or pag-unplug or pwedeng nadumihan ng alikabok, etc. Ang check the USB port for dirt and debris. Clean the port using compressed air or soft brush. If the pins are bent or broken, the port may need repair or replacement. Kailangang malinis ang USB port para smooth ang functionality. Especially kung may pins na naiwan or na-bend, need ito ng repair or replacement. Pangalawa, faulty USB device. Sometimes the problem is not the USB port but the device itself. Flash drive, keyboard, mouse, etc. Also, the second cause, yung mismong sinasaksak natin na device like flash drives, hindi maayos ang keyboard. Di nagana dahil sira pala. Para sure, itry din natin gamitin ng ibang device na ibang computer if gumana or hindi. Kasi if same na hindi gumana sa computer natin, sure na yung device ang at fault. Solution. Try connecting USB device to another computer. Try using a different USB device on the same port. Replace faulty device if necessary. Third, outdated or corrupted drivers. Reason: USB port rely on system drivers. If the drivers are outdated, missing, or corrupted, the port may stop working. Solution: update USB drivers through Device Manager. Reinstall USB controller device drivers. Restart the computer after updating. Kapag outdated, missing, or corrupted ang USB drivers, maaring hindi gumana ang USB port dahil ang drivers ang nagko-connect sa hardware at operating system. Para maayos ito, pwedeng i-update ang USB drivers gamit ang Device Manager. I-reinstall ang USB controller drivers kung kinakailangan at i-restart ang computer pagkatapos mag-update para ma-apply ang changes. Fourth, disabled USB port. Reason: USB port can be disabled in the BIOS settings or Device Manager. Solution: open Device Manager and enable the USB controllers. Check BIOS or EUFI settings and make sure USB ports are enabled. Kapag disabled ang USB port, hindi ito gagana kahit maayos ang hardware. Maaaring na-disable ito sa Device Manager o sa BIOS settings ng computer. Para maayos ito, buksan ang Device Manager at i-enable ang USB controllers at i-check din ang BIOS or UEFI. Setting para siguraduhin na-enable ang USB port. If power supply issues. The USB port may not provide enough power to the connected device. Solution: try using another USB port. Use the powered USB hub. Disable USB power saving settings in device manager. Kapag may power supply issues, maaaring hindi sapat ang power na ibinibigay ng USB port na nakakabit na device kaya hindi ito gumagana ng maayos. Para maayos ito, pwedeng subukan gumamit ng ibang USB port, gumamit ng powered USB hub, at i-disable ang USB power saving settings sa device manager. 6. Operating system problems. Reason: system bugs or corrupted operating system files can prevent USB ports from working properly. Solution: restart the computer, update the operating system, or run system troubleshooting tools. Kapag may problema sa operating system, tulad ng system bugs or corrupted system files, maaaring hindi gumana ng maayos ang USB ports. Para maayos ito, pwedeng i-restart ang computer, i-update ang operating system, at gumamit ng system troubleshooting tools para detect at ma-fix ang problema. Panguli, motherboard problems. Reasons: if the USB controller on the motherboard is damaged, the USB ports may completely stop functioning. Solution: use USB PCI expansion card or repair or replace the motherboard. Kapag may problema sa motherboard tulad ng nasirang USB controller, maaring tuluyang hindi gumana ang USB ports. Para maayos ito, pwedeng gumamit ng USB PCI expansion card bilang alternative o palitan ang motherboard kung kinakailangan. Conclusion: USB ports may stop working due to hardware damage, driver issues, or system problems. Identifying the root cause and applying the correct solution can restore the functionality of the USB port. Ang USB port ay maaaring tumigil sa paggana dahil sa hardware damage, driver issues, or system problems. Kapag natukoy ang tamang sanhi ng problema, mas madaling magamit ang angkop na solusyon upang maibalik ang maayos na paggana ng USB port. Dulo. Thank you so much for listening to my report. Have a great day and bye for now. Bye. So